we are going to review a newly launched product by the name Traffic Cloud. We are going to discuss about the flash sale as well as the various bonuses that come along with the product. These bonuses are not available anywhere else and we'll tell you how to access them free of cost. If you are into e-commerce, affiliate marketing or any other form of internet marketing, then you must be aware that getting traffic to your landing page is the single most important task which you need to accomplish. Traffic Cloud helps you solve this problem effortlessly. If you wish to try Traffic Cloud at a discount price, then do check the link in the description we have provided. But I would highly recommend you watch this video to find out whether this product is for you or not. Now you have the landing page ready and you also have the domain and web hosting ready. Let's say you also have the email responder ready with you. If you have no strategy in place to harness traffic, then all your efforts are in vain. The best way to drive targeted traffic is to buy paid ads using social media or Google. But not everyone has the budget to drive traffic using paid ads. This is where Traffic Cloud comes into picture. Traffic Cloud is an online web-based solution that helps you fetch traffic from prominent social media platforms like Facebook, Tumblr, Imager, Twitter, and many more. Traffic Cloud has a database of millions of social media posts that can be scheduled and posted on all of these platforms simultaneously. Traffic Cloud comes with the option to track your click-through rates and other parameters on the same dashboard. You don't have to log in and log out from 10 different dashboards. You do get access to training so that you don't get lost in the details. If you plan to purchase Traffic Cloud today, then do check out the link in the description. We have arranged for some bonuses if you purchase Traffic Cloud. Here is a list of the free bonuses that you will get access to immediately after you complete the purchase. You will get a copy of Deadly Affiliate Marketing Mistakes. In this ebook, you will learn a lot about the do's and don'ts about affiliate marketing, what are the common mistakes done in running paid ads or organic traffic, and how you can avoid making those mistakes. These days, the internet is flooded with information so much so it's difficult to distinguish between a winning move and a losing move. This ebook, however, has got you covered. You will also get a copy of Content Marketing 101. In this ebook, you will learn a lot about various traffic sources that can be used to drive targeted traffic to your websites. For instance, websites like Best Deals UK, Poll, Reddit, and many other underground traffic sources are seldom talked about on YouTube. With this ebook, you will learn all of them instantly free of cost. Lastly, you will also receive a copy of Boost Online Sales in less than 7 days. With this ebook, you will learn methods that help you drive traffic that are quick and require lesser preparation from your end. These methods can be used in e-commerce, dropshipping, freelancing, or any other form of online business. You can easily scale your business to new heights once you know the tactics. Now, each of these ebooks cost about $37 each and aren't always available for purchase. But since you are buying through our reference, you will receive all of these ebooks free of cost. If you try hiring a consultant who would teach you all of this, then it would cost you a fortune. On the other hand, if you try learning everything yourself, you might once again risk losing a lot of money. But today you can rather learn everything yourself from other people's mistakes and winning moves and save a hell lot of money on and misery. This offer may expire soon and will not be available even at 3 times the price. Check out the link in the description below and purchase Traffic Cloud along with the bonuses.